Tom Cruise, Hollywood stardom. In his home country of the United States, Thomas Cruise Mapother IV is a well-known actor as well as a producer. In addition to being one of the highest-paid actors in the world and being nominated for 4 Academy Awards, he has won a number of awards, including an honorary Palme d'Or, 3 Golden Globe Awards, and a total of 3 Golden Globes. He is also one of the actors who has been nominated for 4 Academy Awards. Because of the more than $11.1 billion that his films have made in revenue all over the world, he is considered to be one of the highest-grossing box office stars of all time. His filmography has raked in more than $4 billion in revenue across the Americas. Tom Cruise was born to Thomas Cruise Mapother III, 1934–1984, an electrical engineer, and Mary Lee, née Pfeiffer, an educator who specialized in special education. Marian Lee passed away in 2017, and Tom Cruise inherited the family business. Both of his parents were of English, German, and Irish origin, and lived in the city of Louisville, which is located in the state of Kentucky. His birthday is July 3, 1962, and he was born in Syracuse, New York. Cass, Leanne, and Marian are Cruise's 3 sisters. Leanne is the oldest. While he was growing up in an impoverished environment, Cruise was raised in a manner that was quite devout in the Catholic faith. Tom Cruise has been married to a number of ladies in the past, including Mimi Rogers, Nicole Kidman, and most recently, Katie Holmes. While he was married to Nicole Kidman, he adopted 2 children. He is a father to a total of 3 offspring. One of his children is a biological daughter that he had with Holmes, while the other 2 children he has were adopted during that time. Tom Cruise has been quite open about his support for the Church of Scientology, which he believes was vital in his rehabilitation from dyslexia. Cruise has expressed his support for the church in a number of interviews. Early in the 1980s, Tom Cruise began his career as an actor, and he soon climbed to recognition thanks to his leading roles in the comic film Risky Business, 1983, and the action film Top Gun, 1986. His performance as Ron Kovac in the latter film earned him both a Golden Globe Award and a nomination for an Academy Award in the category of Best Actor. During the decade of the 1990s, when he was one of the most famous actors in Hollywood, he had roles in a number of films that went on to become commercial successes. Tom Cruise received another Golden Globe Award as well as a nomination for an Academy Award in the category of Best Supporting Actor for his involvement in the drama Magnolia, which was released in 1999. In the movie, Cruise played a character who was a motivational speaker. Since then, Tom Cruise has largely starred in films that are either science fiction or action, establishing himself as an action star in the process and frequently performing his own deadly stunts in the process. Between the years 1996 and 2018, he participated in all 6 Mission Impossible films, consistently playing the part of Ethan Hunt throughout his appearances. Other notable science fiction films in which he has appeared include Vanilla Sky, 2001, Minority Report, 2002, The Last Samurai, 2003, Collateral, 2004, War of the Worlds, 2005, Night and Day, 2010, Jack Reacher, 2012, Oblivion, 2013, Edge of Tomorrow, 2014, and Top Gun, Maverick, 2022, with Maverick being the film that has made the most money for him over the course of his career. Tom Cruise was named as the most powerful actor in Hollywood by Premiere Magazine in the year 2006. On the 2006 edition of the magazine's Power List, Tom Cruise was ranked number 13, making him the highest-ranked actor overall. As a result, Premiere Magazine bestowed upon Cruise the accolade of being Hollywood's most powerful actor. During the same year, Forbes magazine recognized him as the most powerful celebrity on the entire world. Tom Cruise and Leonardo DiCaprio were listed by the founder of CinemaScore in 2016 as the 2 stars that can bring the box office up regardless of how bad the picture is. It was declared Tom Cruise Day in Japan on October 10, 2006, so mark your calendars. According to the Japan Memorial Day affiliation, he was honored with this title because of Tom Cruise Day.